Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Jeep Renegade. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Punch up your daily drive in the seriously smart and capable Renegade. Its bold looks and rugged spirit inspire you on the road or on the trail. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Don't be afraid to drive outside the box. Drive the Renegade.